everyone, welcome back. I also realised I forgot to do my advent calendar yesterday, so I've just done that. Look how full these are. This is crazy. 7, 8 more left. That's insane. I'm trying to think. I woke up at like 6:30 and I was like, this is too early. But I couldn't get back to sleep, so I went on my phone for a bit. But I managed to fall back to sleep at like 7:30 maybe. It's now 9 o'clock, I think. So I'm gonna go down and grab some breakfast, do my washing up from last night because I didn't do that, and then start editing the video. I feel like the last 2 vlogs would have been really good, and then this one will be quite boring, but then the next couple should be okay. Okay, so I have just put on a load of washing. I need to be really strategic about this because I have one more washing pod left. So I've only got a few lights, so I'm gonna hopefully be able to fit in my bedding with my lights is what I'm hoping, because otherwise I have no idea what to do with it. But I don't want to wash my lights until I have my cloths. Basically, hang on, there's loads of cloths downstairs for like that we've been wiping up with, and I just keep getting new ones out rather than washing them, so they need to be washed. I also have my cotton pads that need to be washed, so I think it'll be okay. I've just put my darks on and they just squeezed in, so I'm hoping it'll be okay. I've just brought up my clean washing, but I think what I'm gonna do is just get my room clean, because obviously Zara's coming tomorrow, so I need that to be clean, but also like I'm going home for Christmas. So what I'm gonna, is that a mark on my screen? Oh no, it's just light. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clear everything, clear all the surfaces, then clear the floor and hoover it and clean it, and just make sure I get that done, and then I think things will be okay. But oh my god, I really just can't be bothered for cleaning day, but it's what I need. I might go make a cup of tea and then get started. So here's what I'm thinking, because I need to take my decorations down so that I can take them home with me. So I don't know whether to do that today. I just don't want to get rid of the Christmassy stuff, but I think I'm gonna have to.
The time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away?
So I've cleaned all the surfaces in my room, which is good, but I just realised I need to clean my bathroom because I can't put the cloths wash on, and then, you know, I just need the cloths. So I'm gonna go do the bathroom now, get that sorted. Yeah. Okay, I have just done the bathroom completely, like hoovered, mopped, everything. And I've also, no, that's about it. I hoovered the hallway too. I'll mop that later, I think, but I really need some lunch. I'm really hungry. I don't know what I want, and I don't know what I want for dinner, so I'm gonna have to decide that, but yeah. Lunch is served. This is the most random lunch I think I've made. Got garlic bread, tomatoes and eggs. Yum. Today's been an unmotivated day, and I knew it was going to happen because it just always is. After lots of socialising, I just can't. But I have now remade my bed with fresh bedding, and the other load of washing went on. I had my lunch and I ended up coming up at nearly 4 o'clock, and it's now 5. Just scheduled my video, and I've got a little bit of bits over here to sort, so I'm gonna do that now. Also, I'm taking my broken crystal home. We're gonna go put it in the garden because it cracked, so my mum said that means I don't need it anymore, so we're going to put it into the garden. But yeah, I really don't want to do my stuff. I'm still recording. Oh, that's been a stressful half an hour. Prince of Egypt just got cancelled, which I'm not surprised since God, that's really balancing. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. because yesterday's and today's shows were already cancelled. We were still having our fingers crossed because we obviously really wanted to see it. But we have booked cheap seats for Dear Evan Hansen, which is the show that we were originally meant to see for Zara's birthday back in 2019, 2020? No, was it 2020? Yeah, 2020. We were meant to see it and it got cancelled because of COVID. So we've literally booked, well, we were going to book some of the £28 seats and then they weren't available. They were available and then 2 minutes later they weren't. So I was like, oh. So we've booked the £15 bench seats, which I'm kind of nervous about because they are at the side, kind of like a box is at the side. But I tried to book ones as far away from the stage as possible. And we're just going to have to lean over. But we didn't really want to like waste the night. We were, you know, like we planned a whole weekend. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything else goes ahead, like Mary Poppins and stuff. And hopefully we'll have a good weekend. But I've also pulled a muscle here in my neck. I was getting a box out from under my bed and I guess I just picked it up funny. And like it feels like, you know when it gets stuck and you have to really like move it? It's not stuck anymore, but I keep like, I don't know, lifting my arm up and that's like, ooh. So I'm like, I hope that'll be okay with the balcony seats. But I haven't done any of my room because I was getting that sorted. So I'm going to do that now because I want to like be able to get into bed and have a cozy night. I don't want to have to sort all of this out after dinner, and I'll just have my dinner in a bit. It's only 6 o'clock. So, yeah.
Alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time.
Me and Emily are sorting out the fridge ready for going home. And Jess has 3 bags of carrots. This is... How does she have 3 bags? I don't know. And here's my carrots. But... Christmas dinner? I've just had me dinner. I had salmon and potatoes. Gosh. And... yeah, I also had a brownie actually and heated that up and had the last of my squirty cream. But I'm just going to finish my room. All of them. Because they really need doing. And then once Emily's done baking her cookies, we're both going to clean the kitchen. Because it is so gross. Like so gross.
You're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you.
So me and Emily just cleaned the kitchen because it was just so bad. We did like a proper deep clean of it. And hoovered and mopped, so that's all drying right now. Oh, I've got a spot. Anyway, I've just made a to-do list for while I'm at home next week and over Christmas, like college related stuff, because I have quite a lot that I need to do. Are you ready? Print off sheet music, print off monologues, find a monologue, practice my songs, practice my monologues, stretch, roll up muscles, do my physio exercises. I need to sort out all my college notes. I have a folder full of stuff I need to sort. Finish my UCAS, finish my personal statement, start my college applications, do ab workouts, ankle strength workouts and leg strength. Because I haven't danced in 6 weeks. Hopefully I'm going to be okay to dance after Christmas, and I don't want to be too behind everyone else because I haven't done a proper workout since before the half term. So what, October? And everyone else has been like dancing full out and doing all of that, and I haven't. And I put on my point shoes, not to dance in, obviously I've literally injured my knee, but like I was just standing next to the wall, and even just standing in them I could feel how weak my ankles were, and I used to have quite strong ankles, so yeah. I'm now just writing a list of some video ideas because I need some video ideas for the new year. Once I stop doing Vlogmas, obviously I need to do videos. I'm still going to do vlogs because I enjoy doing vlogs, but they won't be super often. So yeah. I do actually need to sort my stuff out, like pack. But I don't want to. Anyway, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just watching How to Get Away with Murder while I plan at the moment.
I can't breathe without your